Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today I'm going to be showing a few outfit ideas for this winter and holiday season. Some more chill and casual, and then some more dressy and cute for holiday parties, office parties, things like that. So let's get to it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let me know what you'd like to see from me next. Love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video.